Put it back, babe.
Yeah.
No, put it back where she can fight it.
I'm trying.
It's better that you don't have any. Listen to anything. You have to listen to that so you know what
She's not gonna do it no more.
I can see. I mean, yeah, you're kind of right.
Get over here.
Like, she's not fighting no more.
Oh, she followed.
She says, help me. Here, babe, record her. Oh, she's gonna attack you now. Oh, shit. Babe, crawl over there and see if she attacks you. No. You gotta get her attention. No, not see if she attacks you. Do it again, babe. Stop.
She's not Taz.
Go, babe. Go get her. Don't try and go get her. Do it again. Do it again what you just did. Do it again. Do it again. Go after her. You go after her. Go, babe. Get her. Go get her. Come on, Santos. Back up and do it again. Back up, because I want to see her like jump up and get scared. Santos, just do what I say.
What?
Okay, go. Get attack her. Like if you're crawling her.
Scared.
She's scared because you're close to her when you do that.
Maddie's sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're
Red.
both sleeping.
Even Mijo?
Here, babe.
How did get Mijo to sleep?
Babe, here.
You know why?
Recorder.
He's being in his room.
Babe, come on here.
I clearly can. Yeah, I do.
Get her back over here and see if she'll fight the air. Come on, Santos. I want to get this food starting. Just do what I tell you.
Took her ring.
Do you hear what you just said? Lucky I don't tell you to shut the hell up.
No, take it.
Put her back again. See if she'll do it again.
Oh, it's 2-2.
Santos, you still have insurance on there?
Huh?
Beautiful.
You have insurance on this still?
What? Oh, no. We had. Hey, do we?
Oh, when you